Luxury has a new address, Mer Residency. Life is a symphony, and all you need is a place where you listen to it clearly. It is where you feel the true rhythm of nature. Every day begins with new energy, a place where peace of mind is a piece of cake, a space you call home.
Hello, my name's I'm called Godfrey. I'm the clerk of works of this project of Mer Residency. The activities that are ongoing right now, we're doing concrete casting of the first floor slab at the moment, and the quality of the works are maintained as per the design. We do not compromise on any structural detail given to us. The structural integrity of the structure is being maintained as you have seen in the video captured. We will always ensure that all the details provided are implemented as per the design given to us.
Mer Residency at Garuga brings you luxurious 3-bedroom apartments. Book your home today. Reach us at 0200 906096